Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video on this this sponsorship that I have gotten. It's from Pescando con Roger. I got some jigs from him that I'm going to try out on today's fishing trip and see how everything goes. I'm going to turn you guys around so you guys can see the baits. So it's here, Pescando con Roger. It's got some awesome baits here. So I'm going to open this up. It's got his logo. You can find him on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. If you guys want to get some of these baits, just let him know that you heard it from Domingo. Man, but he has some awesome baits, some awesome plastics. You guys can see that. Very awesome. The tail wiggles and really good. Got different colors. Awesome. Man, these are just beautiful. Just beautiful. I mean, you can see all the colors he has. Man, very nice. Even got smaller jigs or smaller baits for when the crappie are real finicky and don't want to bite. Bigger jigs, got some small ones. Even got some with little curly tails on them, so you can pitch out to the crappie and bring it back. Very nice. Tails got a lot of action on them. Lots of action. Got the paddle tail one. Awesome. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go out and see if I can catch some of these crappies, and we'll get back with you as soon as we get on the fish, and we'll try out these baits. I'm sure they're gonna be awesome. Making that walk coming out to the creek. Come check it out. I know it's still early. Probably still got another month out here. I know the water's been down, so just come out to see if I can find any crappie sitting on little trees or in the water here at the creek. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll get back with you once we get on the fish. There it is. It's a little baby. What's up, little guy? It's our first little one. Just let him go. So maybe they're down underneath. There it is. There's crappie. There you go. There's a crappie. Not a big one, but it's a crappie. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. So I know there's some little trees down there underneath the water. Not some big ones, but they're crappie though. Just let them go. Big ones haven't fully moved in here. I mean, you'll catch a few that are keeper size. It's getting close to time, real close. There it was. If you guys seen it. Took it down right by that tree that's out there. The little stumps in that shallow water over there. Like I said in my other videos, sometimes you just got to go through your tackle box and see what the crappie are looking for, to what colors. Let's try this guy out right here. Looks really good. You guys can see that. The chartreuse with the clear body. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. Not a big one, but it's a crappie. Just let him go. There we go. There's a crappie. Yeah. Oh, there he goes, guys. If you guys see that. There we go. There's the old crappie. It's a little one, but just let him go. Here's another one. So a little crappie. Just let him go. So the crappie out chasing the shad out there. So hopefully they come in here. There we go. There we go. There's a crappie. 10.5. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. Here's a crappie. It's another keeper. Put him in there. Yeah, crappie, crappie, crappie. Where you at? There it is. There's another crappie. Let's let him go. What you gotta do is walk through the jungle. In no time, everybody be out here wandering off through the woods, getting to a fishing spot. When you're one of the first ones, that's what you gotta deal with. It's fun being outdoors in the woods. I don't want to see Bigfoot, but if I do see him, I got something for him. I got some lead for him. It's always good to have rubber boots on, that way you can walk through all this. Might be a snake or something. You want to have shoes on. Get bit by a snake. Man, everything's grown. Let's go back the other way. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie, guys, right there. So I did go a little bit deeper. Maybe they're a little bit deeper. Probably it's a keeper, but I'm gonna let him go. Did drop the cork down a little bit more, a little bit deeper. There we go. There's a slab. There we go. There's a slab right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. There's a crappie. Here's a crappie. Yes, sir. Let's let him go. See you later, bud. Thanks for stopping by. That creek, fishing in the creeks for crappie is so fun. Love it. Especially when they're biting full on. It's awesome. There we go. Oh yeah, there's a nice one. There's a nice one. Come here. There we go. Just right by that big old stump. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about right there. There's one. There's one. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. Let's measure. 10. Got a big old fish. Come here, bud. See that? Nice blue.